Please read the objectives for us on the board. Everybody, your eyes are on the board while Marcos is reading the objective. Go.
We will determine the differences between net and gross income using addition and subtraction.
Beautiful. Okay, so you have your first job. You're working at McDonald's. Same as yesterday. You're making how much an hour? $32 an hour at McDonald's.
That's
$9.25. Making $9.25 an hour, right? You're working for 32 hours. Do the math. On the back of your notes, do the math. You make $9.25 an hour. You work for 32 hours. Your first job ever. You're 16. Working at McDonald's. You're excited. This is your first ever paycheck. Making the big bucks. $9.25 an hour. You work for 32 hours. JJ's got his answer. Thank you. Gianna's got her answer. Alex got his answer. Thank you. 10 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's see if you did the math correct. 2 times 5? 10. Regroup, carry my 1. 2 times 2? 4 plus 1? 5. 2 times 9? 18. Cross out my 2, I'm done with it. Cross out my 1, I'm done with it. I'm moving over, I need a placeholder 0. 3 times 5? 15. Regroup, carry my 1. 3 times 2? 6 plus 1? 3 times 9? 27. What are these called? Partial products. What do we do? Add them. 0 plus 0? 5 plus 5? 10. Regroup, carry my 1. 7 plus 1? 8 plus 8? 16. Regroup, carry my 1. 7 plus 1? 8 plus 1? 9. 2 plus nothing? 2. How many back does my decimal point go? 2. I have 1, 2 behind the decimal point, my first factor. So I start at the end and I go back 1, 2. You made $296. Now don't shout out. True or false? You get to keep all of that money that you made. Write it on the do not. True or false? You get to keep all of that money that you made. You get to keep all $296. True or false? And then I want you to write why or why or why not. Why is it true? Why is it not true? Please write in complete sentences. Complete sentences. Paycheck comes in, says $296. Do you get to keep all that money? Yes or no? If yes, why do you get to keep all of it? If no, why do you not get to keep all of it? 10. 3, 2, 1. Okay, now I want you to turn to your partner and I want you to share what you wrote and come up together with one perfect answer for why or why not you get to keep that money. Turn to the partner next to you. 30 seconds, go.
Because the government has like took money for like road businesses and all that.
That's all I know.
10.
Yeah.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Eyes up here. Alexander, true or false? I get to keep all $296 that I made.
False, because it's taxes and now it's deducted from our paycheck.
Because taxes haven't been deducted from our paycheck. Remember yesterday we talked about different types of taxes? What type of tax is it that is taken from each of your paychecks? Only 3 people remember the tax? 4, 5, 6? What's the name of the tax that comes off of each of your paychecks? Aussie? Payroll tax. Everybody, what's the tax that comes off of each paycheck?
Payroll.
Payroll.
I think I his first job working at
Ooh, Gio, can you get us free tickets?
No.
Oh, sorry.
He earned $13.25 an hour and worked for 24 hours last month. On his first paycheck, he paid a payroll of $25.24. What is Giovanni's gross income and net income?
Sienna, what do we underline?
And then what is Giovanni's gross income and net income?
What is Giovanni's gross income and net income? Adrian, what do I highlight?
$13.25 an hour and work for 24 hours maximum.
Beautiful. With your highlighter, highlight he earned $13.25 an hour and worked for 24 hours. What else do I need to highlight, Donna? On his first paycheck, he paid a payroll tax of $25.44. We are trying to find his gross income, and we are trying to find his net income. Chloe, what is gross income?
The money that you have before the taxes?
Before the taxes. So we need to figure out how much money did Gio make before taxes. Let's go back to the problem. Gio got his first job working at a movie theater. Stop. Anything for me to do?
No.
Nope. He earned $13.25 an hour and worked for 24 hours. Stop. There's my first step. What do I need to do, Edwin?
You need to multiply 13.25 times the 24 hours.
I need to take how much money he made each hour, $13.25, and multiply it by the 24 hours he worked. Line it up along that invisible wall. Bonnie made $318. Joseph, is that his gross income or his net income? That's his gross income. Why?
That's the money you earned before taxes.
That's the money he earned before taxes. I want you to work with the person sitting next to you. You're going to figure out the total taxes Donna paid, how much she made after taxes, and then what was her gross income and what was her net income. Work with the person sitting next to you. I'm going to give you 4 minutes. Go.
And 65 cents. And then to find the taxes, we have to add all the taxes. So we do $26.58 plus.
You gotta figure out how much she paid in taxes. We don't know, so you need to add them up. That's her taxes, right? What is gross income?
The money you earned before taxes.
Before taxes. How much did she make before taxes? Do you see it on her paycheck? This one?
This one?
That one. Yep. That's how much. That's her gross income. So you can write that right there. And then now, what do you need to do to find her net income?
Subtract.
Subtract what?
This and that.
Yep, exactly. Take her gross income and subtract her taxes. Good. The value of this expression, 1/5 divided by a third. Solve it. Step 13.
I'm gonna be telling A and B. When you divide fractions, you have to do perfect. It's 1/5 divided by 30. What do you mean?
Oh yeah, he's right. So then how do you write 30 so that it's a fraction but stays 30?
Oh, okay.
How do you write 30 so that it's a fraction? 30 over 1, right? But then if you flip it, it needs to be 1 over there. Good.
Okay.
Good find, Edwin. Did you all do the same thing? Yep. 2, 1. Words up. I, C, D, A, all eyes on the board. Andrew, what words do we use to divide fractions? Keep, change, flip. Everybody, what words do we use to divide fractions? Keep, change, flip. What do I do first? Donna. I keep 1/5, 1 over 5. What do I do now, Marcos? Change division to multiplication. Last thing I need to do, Adrian, is flip. Right now I have 30 as a whole number. I need to write it as a fraction. Sienna, how do I write 30 as a fraction where it's still worth 30? 30 over 1. 30 over 1. And now you're right, I need to flip it. 30 over 1 becomes? 1 over 30. How do we multiply fractions? Straight across. 1 times 1? 1. 5 times 30. Oh, but I can cover up my 0. 5 times 3? 15. I still need to add the 0 to the back. 1 over 150. My answer is A. Then your person becomes you. Thank you, Gio, for passing out the exit ticket. Okay, right now you have one question in front of you. This is from a release SMART test. We're going to see how you did. I will know that you're able to classify triangles if you are labeling your side lengths. When you are done with your exit ticket, please put it in your table folder And go on, Alex. Go for it.